When we talk about modern app development, two names always come up: Docker and Kubernetes. But what exactly do they do? And how do they fit together? Let's break it down simply and clearly. Docker is a containerization platform. Think of it as a box that neatly packages your app plus everything it needs: code, libraries, and dependencies. Without Docker, apps often break when moved between machines. Missing libraries, different operating systems, conflicting setups. Docker solves this by creating containers lightweight, portable, and consistent everywhere. Here's how it works. A Docker file acts as a recipe. It builds into an image, a blueprint, and from that you launch a container, your app running anywhere. Now, Kubernetes or K8s. If Docker is one box, Kubernetes is the entire warehouse and logistics system. It manages containers across multiple servers, making sure they're healthy, balanced, and scaled. Kubernetes was created at Google to handle billions of containers a week. Today, it's the industry standard for orchestration. It does things Docker alone can't. Scales apps up or down automatically, load balances traffic, restarts containers if they crash, and ensures your system runs the way you defined it. So, is it Docker versus Kubernetes? Not really, they actually work together. Here's the flaw. Developers use Docker to build and package apps into images. These images are stored in registries like Docker Hub. Kubernetes pulls these images, runs them as pods, and manages them at scale. In short, Docker is about building and running containers. Kubernetes is about orchestrating containers across clusters. Think of Docker as the tool that builds the car. Kubernetes is the highway system that manages thousands of cars on the road. Here's a quick comparison. Docker packages individual apps into containers. Kubernetes can run and manage many containers together. Docker works on a single machine. Kubernetes runs across entire clusters. Docker alone equals simple development. Kubernetes equals production at scale. So which one should you use? The answer isn't Docker or Kubernetes. It's Docker with Kubernetes. Docker makes apps easy to package. Kubernetes makes apps easy to scale. Together, they power the cloud and web world we use today. If this video helped you understand, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Tell us in the comments which topic you'd like us to break down next. Till then, happy learning and stay curious.